how to whisper people in Roblox. So the first thing that we need to do is open up any game on Roblox here that has chat enabled. So I'll just do this one as an example. So I'll just give it some time for the game to load up and I'll show you exactly how we can do it. So once we have the game open and loaded up, ready to go, here we'll just find the person that we want to whisper. So for example, this person, Pike Brotag. So what we need to do is click on the chat, type /W, and then we will type out the person's name. So leave a space and type Pike Brotag in this case. As you can see, it automatically detects the person that we're whispering, and we can type anything to him here. We can type hi, so on and so forth. And if I press enter, this is going to send the whisper and they can talk to us. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.